Hey everybody, today we want to show you a brand new bunkhouse that will easily sleep 4 people very comfortably for under $13,000. Welcome to the all-new 2026 Heartland Prowler, built by the Jayco family of companies. If you've been familiar with Prowler in the past, you need to realize that the 2026 Prowlers are brand new models, completely different than any of their predecessors. As we walk around the corner here, we've got a great pass-through storage underneath the compartment. Lots of space in here. Widens out on the other side to give you a lot of area to be able to put some big bulky items in. Comes with a really nice awning that we're looking at, as well as a power outlet here on the outside. As we step inside, you've got a nice bed for 2. Got some place for you to put your suitcase or some duffel bags with your clothes and whatnot in it. Some awesome storage up here on top. Got an air conditioner ready to go. A 2-top cooktop. How about that? There we go. Nice little kitchen sink. You got your thermostat and your controls for your tanks, as well as your bunk beds here on the side. Got a nice little refrigerator, perfect size for the weekend. Little microwave, and then a very nice bathroom with a shower in it. Tankless hot water heater. This is an amazing little bunkhouse at an incredible price point. All of this, the quality of the Jaycos, for under $13,000. Want to encourage you to come out, take a look, get yourself out, enjoy camping this summer. We can have these ready in a day or 2 for you to be able to go. We've got several of them in stock. So come out and see us at 4 Seasons RV here in Andover, just east of Wichita, on Kellogg or 400. 4 Seasons RV, where the fun begins.